front of me is Cubot Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by locating and opening Recorder app. Then click on this gear on the left and adjust all of those options however you wish to. When you finished, go back and use this button at the bottom in the middle to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to the same one. If you want to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the right one. If you wish to access a list of all your recordings, click on the right one again, this time when the recorder is off. To play one of them, click on the chosen one. To rename it, you need to hold it instead. Select those three dots at the top right corner and choose Rename. Then type in wherever you want to and hit Save. To delete it though, you need to hold it one more time, but this time use this bin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!